Hello, everyone. Hope you are doing good, and you should do good, right? And today topic is reproductive phase of rice, and subtopics are you can see in a screen: panicle initiation stage, booting stage, heading stage, and flowering stage. And there is surprise topic that is you can see in a few minutes. Just wait. Okay, let's jump on into it. Growth phases and stages. Growth phase you can see in figure the growth stages and duration. Vegetative phase, reproduction phase, and ripening phase. Vegetative phase is a 55. It takes 55 to 6 days. The reproduction phase 35 average, and the ripening phase 30 days. In the figure, you can see seedling change into next seedling growth and then transplanting, and similarly, uh, by it take time to produce tiller, then that there is a maximum tiller number, and similarly grow and grow and grow. There is panicle formation, then flowering, and then ripening phase, milk stage, and maturity stage. Then is at the end of the time there is harvesting time, right? It takes a lot of time, so don't waste food. It takes lots of time. Okay, you have to respect, you have to give respect food. And so next, jump into it, more deep. So panicle stage. Reproductive phase is a very susceptible phase. At first we have to know this. And this susceptible very susceptible to low temperature, drought, and salinity. So now panicle initiation stage, that pi stage, is starting stage of reproductive phase. PI, panicle initiation, defined as when 3 out of 10 main shoot have panicle 1 to 2 long above the air space or internode. So what is panicle? Panicle is a feathery cone shape structure. Feathery cone shape structure जसको चाहिँ length 1 to 5 length, and the panicle is visible only after the stem is dissected. Normally panicle is visible only about 10 days. Panicle we can see in a figure right here. The panicle at the 7 to 10 days after initiation only you can see in there. And the next phase is the booting stage of rice. Booting stage of rice, that the stage start with the end of tillering stage. Tillering stage को end पछि booting stage हुन्छ. सँगसँगै चाहिँ panicle stage पनि grow भइरहेको हुन्छ हैन. Begin in this period maximum and the rapid growth of internode. Booting stage मा चाहिँ what's main working work चाहिँ के हुन्छ भनेपछि what is their main work is the growth of internode quickly increase the plant height, and uh, it takes 15 to 20 days. And we come into panicle initiation stage and a panicle and booting stage. Begin with the panicle primordium initiation at the tip of growing shoot. Shoot grow हुन्छ. At the end stage, young panicle is about to emerge, spikelet become distinct, and we can see in a figure, right? We can understand easily. And the next stage is a heading stage. Heading stage. In this stage, 90% of panicle have emerged from their sheath. In this stage, panicle is emerged from bottom of the flag leaf. For the panicle, 2 to 3 weeks of emerged from the stem completely, and the duration of this phase is 10 days. यसमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भनेपछि 90% पेनिकल चाहिँ इमर्ज हुन्छ. बिस्तारै बिस्तारै सानो 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 त्यो धानको बालाहरू आउँदै गर्छ. धानको बालाहरू आउँदै गर्छ. 2 देखि 3 हप्ता लाग्छ जब स्टेम कम्प्लिटली इमर्ज हुन्छ. इट मिन्स हेडिङ स्टेज मिन्स इमर्ज अफ अ स्टेम, right? That it takes 10 days to 12 days normally. And after that, heading stage, there is a flowering stage. Flowering stages occur after the 3 days of heading. Panicle completely appeared. Booting stage, completed. Heading stage completed, sorry, completed, and then flowering stage begin. Flowering stage. A flower, there are two transparent structure, which is known as the lodicule. Lodicule is situated inside the grain. Due to pressure of lodicule, flower is open. त्यो लोडिक्युलको प्रेसरको कारणले गर्दाखेरि फ्लावर ओपन हुन्छ होइन, त्यसपछि त्यहाँ फर्टिलाइजेसनहरूको प्रोग्रामहरू हुन्छ. You can see there is a flower open भइरहेको होइन, भइरहेको छ. त्यसपछि त्यहाँ फल लाग्छ. And this is the surprise topic, ripening stage. It takes 25 to 35 days. After flowering stage, full maturity stage. At the ripening stage, there is a three stage: milk stage, dwarf stage, and maturity stage. Milk stage start after anthesis. It takes 7 to 12 days. जब फर्टिलाइजेसन भइसक्यो होइन, रिप्रोडक्सन भइसक्यो, प्रोडक्सन भइसक्यो, मेल फिमेल ग्यामेटहरू आइसक्यो, अनि त्यसपछि मिल्क स्टेजमा आउँछ. देयर इज द वाटरी कन्टेन्ट चेन्जिङ इन्टु द थिक मिल्क फ्लुइड कल्ड मिल्क स्टेज. वाटरी कन्टेन्टहरू त्यो दुध चाहिँ मिल्क फ्लुइड चाहिँ थिक मिल्क फ्लुइडमा चेन्ज हुन्छ. एन्ड द डफ स्टेज, द मिल्क ग्रेन चेन्ज इन्टु हार्ड डफ. इट टेक्स 2 to 3 week, 2 देखि 3 हप्ता लाग्छ. And then maturity stage, grain hard and clear where the moisture is 20 to 30%. अनि grain hard हुन्छ अनि clear हुन्छ, and the moisture percent is 20 to 30%. So that is the stage of a reproduction phase and the ripening phase. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You have great patience level, and something you get extra from this video, this lecture, and keep watching, keep connecting with us. We continually give providing information about most of the agricultural topic. Thank you. Have a nice